How to add a Tinder bio. Your Tinder bio is your first impression, so let's make it count. Here's how to add or edit your bio on Tinder in just a few simple steps. First, launch the Tinder app on your device and tap on your profile icon right here. Once you tap on your profile icon, go to Edit Profile right here. Tap on this complete profile. Now you can see About Me text box right here. This is where you will write your bio. Tap the box and type your bio. You have got up to 500 characters, so you can keep it short and real. You can include hobbies or interests. You can also include what you are looking for, or fun fact, or even a clever one-liner. Enter it and tap done again at the top right corner. And Tinder will automatically save your changes. And that's it. You have just added a bio to your Tinder profile. Now you are one step closer to making the right match. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the notification bell icon so that you stay updated. Thank you for watching.